going on YouTube? It's McLean here with the Off-Road Rhino. I have got Rob here with me from overlandgearguy.com talking about, what is it we're talking about here, Rob?
So our spare tire trash bag, this is our newest product and we're really excited about this. We've got like 40 products on in the past like month and a half. Our site's a little new and stuff, but I've been making gear for 29 years. So I've been doing police, military, emergency services, photography stuff. Just saw all kinds of needs for this type of stuff. So that's kind of how that got going there.
All right, Rob, so my first question for you, I've seen some Trasharoos and other types of gear that are similar to this that go on the back of a tire. What makes this different from your typical spare tire trash bag?
So it's built a lot heavier duty. I took a hammer to the buckles the other day.
Wow.
It didn't phase it. Some of the other companies and stuff, people complain that they get it fresh out of the box, they put it on for the first time, the buckle break, they say it fades within like 6 months. This material, it's a vinyl type material, and it's not supposed to fade. It has an inside lining in it, a Cordura lining. So you want to haul your firewood, your tools, your small air compressors, stuff like that on the way up the hill. It's built for that. The bottom's not going to rip out. Very well built. It's almost overkill.
That's fantastic. I noticed just looking at it, it appears to be very heavy duty. Another thing I noticed, I'm not sure if this is different from all of them, but this extra strap right here that goes around.
Right.
Tell me what that's about.
So if you do haul the firewood and tools and stuff, I just didn't want to take a chance on a bag coming off just because of this. Maybe the straps came down or maybe they broke or something like that. So I put that third strap on there just to ensure the safety and just a better fit. So that's kind of the story behind that one.
Cool. I really like that extra strap. I think that's a major selling point. The pockets on the outside look super sturdy too. So
we got slip pockets behind here. I do that with all my gear, and then just for small tools, garbage bags, and whatnot.
You got like a 2-in-1 pocket then.
Yeah.
That's awesome. What made you want to move into kind of the overland market?
I have an R-Pod trailer, and we'd get out to different places, and it's like, oh, I don't have enough tools, for whatever, or just storage inside the trailer. It's just everything's all over the place. So I started making, just different organizers and stuff like that to put all my stuff in. And then I went to Overland East in North Carolina this past year, and just saw all the stuff that was there, and I can improve upon this. I can make it a little different. And just like this is so heavy duty, and I just wanted to improve upon some stuff that was out there. And custom, I can do anything custom. So if you have an idea, it's like, oh, I need some kind of bag for the roll bar or under the seat or anything like that. It's all USA made stuff, and I make it all in Utah here.
Fantastic. So we got the trash bag here. What other products are featured in your lineup?
I kind of specialize in seat organizers. So over the back of the Jeep seats, or even over the front, I have a universal one that'll go over the front of the seat or the back of the seat on any vehicle with a headrest.
Wow. So Rob, you've been making gear for a long time. What first started you on that path?
So yeah, been making stuff for 29 years. I was in law enforcement for about 16 years, and just saw a need for different equipment, and so I made up a vest. And you go out to the range and do some target practicing. Oh, I got to go clear back and grab some more ammo or whatever. And so I thought, I'm going to make a vest to haul all my stuff. So did that, and that's what launched this 29 years ago.
Wow.
And firefighter, I was doing that for about 4.5 years, and so some of the reflective vests, things like that. I've been a wildlife photographer 2008. I'm using this stuff daily. I know what works, what doesn't. People call me up and it's like, oh, I want such and such, and it's like, customer's always right, and I'll make it for you, but it won't work. You're not going to like it, and I give them some suggestions on what to change and stuff like that, and then they're happy.
Well, that's awesome. So from what I gather just in my 20 minutes here with Rob is that you can go out and buy a piece of gear that might fit, might not fit, or you can call Rob over here and he'll make you something that'll be exactly what you need. So we just started into the overland phase of this. You told me this December 2018. What plans do you have for this in 2019?
I probably, just in the next few months, going to probably release another 50 different products. And I love making something new. So if you have an idea for any type of product, I would love to see it. I'd love to make it for you. This has been a big one that's been on the works and stuff. And I've done so much research to get the perfect bag. Yeah, I expect a lot of different stuff. Recovery bags, tool bags, different organizing bags, things like that.
Sounds like some exciting things coming.
Yeah.
All right.
Absolutely.
All right, Rob. My last question for you, if I'm a viewer here and I'm interested in buying one of these or any other piece of your gear, where do I go?
Overlandgearguy.com.
Overlandgearguy.com, right there, you guys. Well, Rob, I appreciate you standing out here in the cold with me. Thanks for having us, and we're excited about this gear.
Thank you.